If you're wondering how you can connect to Wi-Fi with QR code on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Camera. Now under the camera settings, you will find a feature called Scan QR Codes. Now just make sure you enable this toggle. After you enable the toggle for Scan QR Codes, you will be able to scan any QR code, even the Wi-Fi QR codes, using the camera app of your iPhone. So just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now using the camera of your iPhone, just scan any QR code. Now let's scan this Wi-Fi QR code over here. Just place your iPhone on the Wi-Fi QR code. And as you can see, our iPhone has scanned this QR code and it has given us the link to connect to this Wi-Fi network. Just tap on the link and select Join. And after you do that, your iPhone will connect to the Wi-Fi network. Just like that. And this is how you can connect to Wi-Fi with QR code on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.